Did you know there's a mysterious artifact known as the Antikythera Mechanism? It's an ancient Greek device over 2,000 years old, found in a shipwreck in 1901, and it baffles scientists even today. It was used to predict astronomical positions and eclipses like an ancient computer. How did people of that time have such precise knowledge? This relic proves that the ancient Greeks were tech-savvy way before we thought. Discoveries like this remind us that history holds many secrets yet to be unveiled.